Bulldozer Helps Out by Candace Fleming and Eric Roman. The construction site bustled. Cement mixer was stirring, stirring. Crane truck was lifting, lifting. Digger truck was scooping, scooping. And bulldozer was watching, he said with a sigh. Puffing some smoke from his stack, he bumped to where the other trucks worked. "I can help," he exclaimed. He raised his blade hopefully. "You're too little," rumbled Dump Truck. "You'll get hurt." "Building skyscrapers is a rough, tough job," clattered Cement Mixer. "For rough, tough trucks," rattled Digger. Bulldozer turned away. The big trucks looked at one another. "But maybe," clanged Crane. "See over there," Crane pointed. "That needs to be cleared and flattened." "I can do it! I can do it!" cried Bulldozer. "So what are you waiting for, kid?" grumbled Roller Truck. "Hooray!" squealed Bulldozer, honking his horn. He zoomed, bump, vroom, to his worksite. Once there, he revved his motor. He lowered his blade. Charge! He sat, smoke puffing from his stack, for a moment. Then he gave the pile a little nudge. Then a second, then a third. And when he'd gotten it just right, he hunkered down, hushed and watchful. His motor hummed, soft as a lullaby. Hours passed. At last, the other trucks bumped to where Bulldozer was working. He hadn't done a single thing they'd asked. "I thought he was big enough," boomed Digger. "I thought he was rough enough," rattled Scraper. "I thought he was tough enough," clattered Grater. "Move out of the way, kid," roared Roller. "I'll fix that in no time flat." But Bulldozer wouldn't budge. Instead, he whispered, "Shh." "How rude!" belched Cement Mixer. "Shh! Behave yourself," rattled Scraper. "Shh! You mind Roller Truck this minute," clanged Crane. "Shh!" Then, above the banging, rattling, rumbling, floated a tiny sweet sound. The trucks quieted, and in the silence a chorus of gentle mews rose into the air. "Is that what I think it is?" boomed Digger. Bulldozer raised his blade. He moved aside. "They're pretty cute, kid," said Dump Truck. "But taking care of babies? Now that's a rough, tough job." "I can do it! I can do it!" cried Bulldozer. The big trucks looked at one another again. "We believe you can," clanged Crane. And he did.